Hello again. Today we're going to use perpendicular lines to find the measure of angles. So we have a figure here that uses lines and line segments. And I'm going to tell you that line segment QV is perpendicular to line RU. All right. So that means that this is a right angle. And what that also means is these are all right angles. So they all form 90-degree angles. So I need to find the measure of the angles here. So I already know that all these angles are right angles, but I don't know the measure of all the angles. And I notice here that I have a 4x and an x plus 20. My first step in finding the measure of my angles will be to find the value of x. So since I know that this whole angle here equals 90, I know that 4x plus x plus 20 equals 90 degrees. So I need to find the measure of x. So that tells me, so I know that 4x plus x is 5x plus 20 equals 90. So now I'll subtract 20 from both sides of the equation. And I have 5x equals 70. So I'll divide both sides by 5. That means that x equals 14. So that's some handy information to have. So I will write that up here. X equals 14. So now that I know that x equals 14, I can find the measure of angle RSW. So what is the measure of angle RSW? Well, RSW, we're told, is 4x. But we also know that x is 14. So I will do 4 times 14. And 4 times 14 is 56. So the measure of RSW is 56 degrees. Now let's find the measure of angle WSV. Well, we know that WSV is x plus 20. And we also know that x is 14. So I'll replace the x with 14. So it's 14 plus 20, which is 34. So we know that the measure of angle WSV is 34 degrees. What about the measure of angle TSU? Well, TSU is a vertical angle with angle RSW, and we know that RSW is 56 degrees. So that means that angle TSU is also 56 degrees. So what if I want to find the measure of angle TSR? That would be this angle right here. Well, I do know that QSR is 90 degrees. So from here to here is 90 degrees, but I don't know the measure from here to here. But I do know that that's a vertical angle with angle WSV, which we know is 34 degrees. So that would be 34 degrees. And this is 90 degrees. So I add up 90 degrees plus 34 degrees, and that's 124 degrees. So angle TSR is 124 degrees. And that's how you use perpendicular lines to find the measure of angles.